Good morning, students. 7th class maths. Now we will start our chapter number 12, mensuration. First exercise 12.1. In first exercise we will do perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter is equal to sum of all sides of any closed figure. Sum of all sides, that is called perimeter. For example, any figure given to you, this figure given, their sides 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 7 centimeter. You have to find perimeter of this figure. How you will find? As I told you, perimeter is equal to sum of all sides. 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 5 17, 17 plus 4 it is 24. What will be the perimeter? Perimeter is equal to 24. This way you have to find perimeter of any figure. Then what you have to do? Sum of all sides. But of some particular figure there are formula. For example, perimeter of square. Perimeter of square. Here we can use the formula. In square 4 sides are there and all that 4 sides are equal. Then you can use this one formula, 4 multiplied by side. When you will write it side plus side plus side plus side, that will be same 4 multiplied by side. Same way if you have to find perimeter of rectangle. In rectangle 2 length are there and 2 breadth are there. Here also you can apply this formula, 2 multiply length plus breadth. If you have to find perimeter of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, in triangle 3 sides are there and the equilateral triangle means all the 3 sides are equal. Then here you can apply this formula, 3 multiply by side. This way if they will say you that find perimeter of a regular hexagon, regular pentagon, we know regular means all sides are equal. Hexagon means 6 sides are there, then its formula will be 6 multiplied by side. Same way regular pentagon, regular means I told you equal sides, pentagon means 5 sides are there, then its formula will be 5 multiplied by side. Same way regular octagon, 8 sides are there, then you can write 8 multiplied by side. This way you can find perimeter of any figure. Just you have to do sum of all sides of closed figure. Now we will start exercise 12.1. First MCQ is given, sides of rectangle are given. For example, this is length of rectangle, that is 250 mm, and breadth is given 1.5 meter. But you have to find perimeter in centimeter. In centimeter you have to find perimeter. So firstly we will change this mm into centimeter. 1 mm is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. 250 mm is equal to 250 divided by 10. 0 cut with 0. This is 25 centimeter. Same way this meter also we will change into centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1.5 meter is equal to 1.5 multiplied by 100. Firstly without point multiplication we will do 15 multiplied by 100. 1500, then before one digit you have to write point. This 0 you can cut, that will be equal to 150 centimeter. Now you have to find its perimeter. I told you the formula of perimeter of a rectangle, that is 2 multiply length plus breadth. 2 multiply length, how much given? 25, breadth 150. To multiply, firstly we will solve this one bracket. 25 plus 150, 175. Now 175 multiplied by 2, this is 350 centimeter. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 350 centimeter. First answer is B option, 350 centimeter. Next, second MCQ. If side of square, now they are talking about square. Side of square is given 12 centimeter. Find its perimeter. Side of square. In square, I told you how many sides are there? 4 sides are there, and all the 4 sides are equal to each other. You have to find its perimeter. I told you the formula of perimeter of square, 4 multiplied by side. 4 multiplied by 12, 12 fours are 48. Then its answer will be 48. That is A option. Next, third question is also same. A square field is 22 meter long. Here also they are talking about square. How much wire is required for fencing it? For fencing it, for example, this is a square field. They want to fence it, means at the side they want to apply fencing. Then what you will find in this case? Whenever you are doing anything on the sides of any closed figure, then what you have to find? You have to find its perimeter. In this also we will find the perimeter of a square. This question you will try by yourself. Next question, second, find the perimeter of each of the following. First part, second question, a triangle PQR. A triangle PQR. See in question given sides, PQ is equal to 8.5. Then QR is equal to 6.2. Then PR is equal to 4.9 centimeter. You have to find its perimeter. Perimeter is equal to what? Sum of all sides. 3 sides are there. PQ plus PR plus QR. That is 8.5 plus 4.9 plus 6.2. Then you have to do its addition. 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 9 16, 10 8, that is 19.6 centimeter. Second part, a square whose side is, each side is 7.9 centimeter. Now side of square is given 7.9 centimeter. You have to find its perimeter. What is the formula of perimeter? 4 multiplied by side. Then 4 multiplied by 7.9. That is 31.6 centimeter. This way, next part what given? A rectangular park. It means you have to apply here which formula? Formula of perimeter of rectangle. What is the formula of perimeter of rectangle? 2 multiply length plus breadth. Length and breadth is given. This sum you will try by yourself. Next question is also same. Rectangular field. Breadth is given, length is given. You have to find its perimeter by the same formula which I told you. Firstly, 2 multiply length plus breadth. Thank you.